Good afternoon, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. You are looking at a cardboard palm. A cardboard palm. Here's another one right there. This is what they look like when they're a little bit bigger. That one is about 3.5, 4 feet tall. Some of these others look like they're 6 feet tall. Let me back up on this to show you what a bed of these look like. That's an elevated bed, but you see what they look like. They're just planted en masse inside of that bed, and they're beautiful. The ones in the back look like they're about 8 feet tall. Cardboard palm. They are in the sago family, which is also called the Cycad family, C-Y-C-A-D. If you like these, we can get them for you. Give us a call.